minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of our entire SETCO team headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Praveen, ably assisted by our first officer, Nico, and together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making SETCO a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying with SETCO.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned.